Hi guys, in this video I'll show you payment proof about OUO URL Shortener. It's very old shortener, I'm sure you know it. So we go to the channel. URL Shortener views. If you're watching my videos for first time, uh, in the channel you'll see videos about payment proofs from me and from others who are posting the proofs into the forum. Subscribe to stay tuned, I'll post videos each weekend. From here we go to the forum shortenerreviews.com, and now we will look for OUO payment proof. Here it is. The payment proof has been kindly provided from bro777. uh, so bro, if you're watching this, thank you for the proof. This is his withdrawal page where he highlighted the withdrawal. It's from $7 from 1st of April, and this is his transaction details from PayPal. Nice. $7, 31st of March. Have in mind that OUO URL Shortener is paying twice a month, and in, that is for all publishers. I also received a payment in the same date, but haven't posted it here because Bro777 already made a post for it, so I decided it's useless. And in the video I will include his referral link, so if you don't have an account at OUO URL Shortener, please go to register from his referral link down below in this video description to support him. And of course, if you have payment proofs from other shorteners, you can make the same post like him. I'll make a video for the URL shortener in the same way. Come into the forum, register, and just post your proof in the same way. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.